Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning class. How are you today? Today we will learn about how we can tell someone's speech in two different ways. The first is direct speech and the second is indirect speech. Before starting, our students will listen to a short story about Animal Farm. Once upon a time, a group of animals on a farm would rebel against their human owner, Mr. Jones, because they want to live free and equal. Led by smart pigs, especially Snowball and Napoleon, the animals successfully take over the farm and create rules to ensure all animals are considered equal. At first, everything goes well, and the animals feel happy and free. However, after some time, Napoleon seizes power by using his dogs to drive Snowball away. Napoleon then changes the rules and starts behaving like the humans they once supposed, such as sleeping in beds and drinking alcohol. The pigs in charge begin to exploit the other animals and live luxuriously, while working animals like Boxer, the horse, remain loyal and work hard despite their worsening conditions. Boxer is even treated unfairly and sold when he can no longer work. By the end of the story, the pigs walk on two legs and collaborate with humans, causing the other animals to realize they can no longer tell the difference between pigs and humans. Oke, itu tadi cerita dari Animal Farm. Selanjutnya, kita akan belajar tentang definition of direct sentence. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, artinya definisi kalimat langsung. Kalimat yang benar-benar meniru ucapan seseorang. Ciri-cirinya menggunakan tanda kutip. Contoh dari Animal Farm, Mayor says, all animals are brothers. And another example, the first is Napoleon said, we must unite to fight against the humans. The second is Snowball shouted, this revolution belongs to all of us. And the third is Boxer said, I will work twice as hard. Selanjutnya, yang kedua, kita akan membahas tentang definition indirect sentence. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, artinya definisi kalimat tidak langsung. Kalimat yang melaporkan ucapan seseorang tanpa menirunya secara persis. Ciri-cirinya tidak menggunakan tanda kutip, biasanya menggunakan konjungsi. Contoh dari Animal Farm, Major says that all animals are brothers. And another example, the first is Napoleon said that they must unite to fight against the humans. The second is Snowball stated that the revolution belongs to all the animals. And the third is Boxer promised that he would work twice as hard. Selanjutnya, yang ketiga, changes from direct to indirect sentences. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, artinya perubahan dari kalimat langsung ke kalimat tidak langsung. Biasanya menggunakan perubahan kata ganti orang. Misalnya, saya menjadi dia. Bisa juga perubahan kata keterangan waktu atau tempat. Dan penambahan kata hubung. Contohnya, dalam Animal Farm, the first is Napoleon said, I will lead the animals to victory now. Menjadi, Napoleon said that he would lead the animals to victory then. The second is Snowball asked, "Are you ready to fight for the farm today?" Menjadi, Snowball asked if they were ready to fight for the farm that day. And the third is Boxer said, "I will work harder tomorrow." Menjadi, Boxer said that he would work harder the next day. Yang terakhir, ini ada exercise untuk kalian berlatih lagi di rumah. Dan cara pengerjaannya, kalian bisa memilih antara true or false. Boleh dicoret jawaban yang benar atau boleh juga dilingkarin. Di pertemuan selanjutnya, kita akan membahas jawaban dari exercise yang akan kalian kerjakan di rumah ini. Okay, that's the end of today's lesson. Thank you for hearing and pay attention. See you in the next class.